In this video, you will learn how to integrate Nano Banana with Wix website. Let's begin with a quick demo of the integration. Begin by entering a prompt that describes the image you want to generate. Select the generated image to preview or prepare it for editing or video creation. Click Edit Image to start refining or enhancing the selected picture. Type specific editing instructions to modify the image according to your needs. Initiate video creation by clicking the Create Video button below the edited image. Confirm your intention to generate a video based on the current image and prompts. Click to generate video using your image. Click play to preview your generated video before making edits or downloading. Select the Trim tool, scissors icon, to cut or shorten your video. Drag or click the playhead to adjust playback position or select trim points. Use the Reset button to undo all video edits and return to the original version. Click Cut to finalize and apply your selected trim to the video. Click the Download icon to save your final edited video to your device. Begin by adding the Pick AI photos and art with GPT-4 app to your site from the Wix App Market. Click Add to Site to start installing the app. Open the app to start configuring it for your site. Click Edit Site to customize your website and app integration. Use the Add button in the sidebar to insert new elements onto your page. Select App Widgets to browse app-specific features and add-ons. Choose Pick AI Photos and Art with GPT-4 from the App Widgets to add the widget to your site. Explore and add additional app widgets as needed to enhance your site. Click the Expand icon to view or adjust detailed widget settings. Publish your site to make all updates and apps live for visitors. View your live site to verify that the app and changes appear as expected.